Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Sandwiches with Babe. I don't know, I still don't have it down yet because I'm still getting going on what this channel name is gonna be. Maybe the Sandwich Queen eventually once I have some subscribers and sandwiches under my belt. But anyways, my name is Babe and some of you may know me from our other channel, The Cooking Cop and Babe. I've ventured out on my own, still keeping Josh involved. He's gonna help me by editing my videos and uploading them and tasting my sandwiches, of course. But I thought it would be fun to just share my love of sandwiches with you guys and try all different kinds. So if you have a suggestion or want me to make something, drop it in the comments and I will add it to my list. I have a great list going so far. So today what I'm going to make is a turkey club. We're going to add a couple of things, of course, to zhuzh it up and make it magic, just like I try to do with every sandwich. So let's get started. Let me tell you what I'm putting on it today, and you can see where we go. So I'm using the classic bread for a club sandwich, country potato. We're gonna get that toasted up. I have turkey from the deli. I have this Kerrygold mild cheddar. Now, some of you have made a suggestion to use it. This is one of our all-time favorites. We actually call it the adult cheese because it's so expensive that we don't let the kids try it. But today, my girls are gonna get to try it. We'll see if they even like it. We have our lettuce, our bacon, our avocado, and for the sauce, that magic sauce, it's gonna be sun-dried tomatoes, basil, and mayonnaise. So let's see how we put this together. What I'm gonna start with to make my sauce as my base for my sandwich is some sun-dried tomatoes. Now I just went to the grocery store and got these. I'm using about a tablespoon and a half, I would say, because I do want it to be pretty heavy on the sun-dried tomatoes. We're gonna put a little bit of oil in there to help that in the Ninja chopper. And then we're gonna put our basil in. I have 2 big basil leaves that I just picked up at the store, just fresh basil. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna blend these first before we put them into the mayo. Okay, this is my favorite little toy to play with. I got this a couple years ago and it just chops everything so quick. So let's get this blended up and get our sauce made. I got that out of the Ninja, all blended up and mixed up. That gave us about 2 tablespoons altogether. And now I'm going to add in my Kewpie mayo, which you've seen my other videos. You've seen this is the only mayo that we use and promote. I'm gonna put about 3 tablespoons in there. This is gonna be a big sandwich, so we're gonna need a lot of sauce. We're gonna get that all mixed up. Oh, it's gonna be so good. So good, so good. I debated with myself of whether or not I should add garlic. I decided that I'm just gonna stick with the basics. Keep it a little easier today. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's right. See the easy ways you can just make a simple sandwich turn into magic? It's so easy. Okay, while we're waiting for our bread to toast, let's go ahead and cut our avocado. I love avocado, especially a nice ripe one. And this one looks great. So we've got it cut half open. We're just gonna slice it into a few pieces. And we'll scoop that right out onto our sandwich. Sorry, I haven't figured out how to film my face while I'm cooking. I do these by myself while Josh is at work, so it's a little bit difficult. Anyways, bread is toasted. Let's do this. We have all of our goodies here. 3 pieces of perfectly toasted bread, okay? We're gonna start with the bottom layer. The bottom layer is going to be my mayo mix, the sun-dried tomato and basil mayo. Oh, doggy. It's really tasty. So we're gonna get a good layer on. can see I got a good layer of the mayonnaise. Next, we're gonna lay our lettuce down. So I have here some nice crunchy romaine lettuce. Okay. And then let's put our bacon. 2 pieces of bacon. I don't like that sloppy stuff. Next layer will be a little more sun-dried tomato, mayo, because this just is so good that I want it on everything. Don't mind the construction outside, if you can hear that. It's pretty loud. It's been going on all day. It's kind of driving me nuts. Okay, so we have our next layer. This is gonna be our Kerrygold white cheddar cheese that I'm absolutely beyond excited about. We use Kerrygold butter as well in this house, and it is a delightful treat. Okay, here's that avocado I was telling you about. We're gonna lay it right down there. I'm using half of an avocado, kind of get it spread out. Because when we bite into this thing, it's going everywhere, you know it is. And last but not least, our turkey. Not a cheap amount of turkey. We're gonna do a nice amount of turkey. So I'm gonna do 3 big pieces here. And last but not least, we're gonna put that top on and let's cut it. The mayo, the lettuce, the bacon. On the second layer, we have the cheese, the avocado, and the turkey, and another layer of mayo. It looks very good. I haven't been to a restaurant in so long, I forget how they cut the club sandwiches. Okay, there's 1. Oh yeah. Here we go. And there we are. Say hi to the people.
Hi.
This is my oldest, my taste tester today. Now it has some stuff in it that I don't know if you're gonna like it.
Hi. Well, I'm still gonna try.
Hi, Pen.
Hi.
Penny does not want to try it. All right, babe. Give it a go. Wow. Good job. Wow, that's awesome. Really got it in there. How is it? Here. Is that good? Yeah? Do I just need to add a little bit of salt and vinegar chips and it'll be perfect? Yeah? Okay, good. Well, you got her perspective. She seems to like it, which makes me really happy. I was nervous she wasn't gonna like it. So now let me give it a bite and let's see what I think. That looks really good. With that white cheddar and the sun-dried tomatoes and basil mayonnaise, oh my goodness. All these flavors together, you want to talk about layers of flavor? This is what layers of flavor should taste like. Make this at home. Just adds a little extra punch when you do that special sauce. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave me a comment. Please subscribe. Ring that bell. I'm learning all the YouTube stuff.
And hit that like button.
Hit that like button. Thanks, and have a great one.